exit 6.
Alright, we'll be standing by on the exit just in case they exit.
Okay. Well, now they're doing lanes with lane number 2, so it looks like he's going to stay on. We're coming up to 6 now. Alright, passing North Ridge now. EL truck in lane number 2.
Alright, we got eyes on. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah. 8. 705.
We're behind this 1099 U-Haul. 895, where are you?
Coming up to Glen Ridge.
Alright, we're gonna hold off as long as we can. He's running about 80 right now. Not really reckless or anything like that, so we'll hold off so we can get more units in it. It's a pretty good sized box truck.
Is Glen Ridge going to be the best bet for me to turn around at?
Yeah, Glen Ridge connector and then the ramp to 400 southbound. So we're at exit 5. We still got a little way to get to you, so I'll let you know if he takes 285 or stays south.
Roger, roger.
We're approaching 285 now.
On the 795, is this 1080 yet?
No, we haven't initiated a traffic stop yet. He's making his way over to the right, 895, so I have a feeling he's probably going to try to take 285.
We're clear. Ready to hold 10-3 radio?
Yep. He's swerving off Atlanta. Go ahead. We're going to initiate it.
285?
Yeah. 285. I'll let you know east or west.
Yeah, we'll play 795. Well, here's 10-3, 10-33, 795, 10-8.
No, we're not 1080 yet, Atlanta.
We're clear now.
Alright, Atlanta now we're 1080. 104, call it.
Silver. East or west, I'm at the split.
He hasn't made his mind up yet. Hang on.
Here's 10-3, 10-33, 10-8, 104, calling.
Alright, he's in the middle going 285 west, 285 west. Still 285 west, 104 if you want to take over radio traffic. See what we can do with it.
204715, I got 6. Wait for it, see on 285.
Alright, line 35 west, come up Russell Road. Temple, quick to Russell Road. Passing the exit of Russell Road, going to get on to 285 west. Okay, boy.
We're coming up on too much traffic for me to pit him because he's gonna make a mess. So as soon as we get a decent enough break and we can keep traffic off of us, I'll see what I can do.
Close work, line coming up to Mountain Green Road. Temple, Mountain Green Highway. You all going to the very far left lane.
Alright, 895 on the rear. I'll go ahead and call it now.
10-4, 795, button for bid. Bid unsuccessful. Taking Riverside Drive, 895, you got it.
You drive, I'll call it. Taking a right on Riverside Drive. Passing Hurd-Cherry Road. Guys, we might have to try boxing on this thing.
He's gonna push you out of the way, man.
Yeah, sure. Give him some space if he does something stupid on the wrong side of the road. Passing River Valley Road. We are northwest bound on Riverside. Almost struck car head on. Vehicles.
Okay.
Riverside. Can you find out if any local units may have stop sticks in the area, please? Alright, coming up to Johnson Ferry, taking a left on the Johnson Ferry. He's traveling on the wrong side of the road, Johnson Ferry.
Y'all hang back a little bit slower in case he tries to okey doke us on the side road.
Coming up to Paper Mill. Passing Paper Mill, still on Johnson Ferry, wrong side of the road.
If there's a long stretch with no traffic, I'm just going to have to get over there and end this.
I understand. Just be careful.
Trying to ram me off the road.
Yeah, this is well, you got cars coming.
Alright, y'all keep going. Y'all keep going. He ripped my front bumper off.
Alright. We are coming up to Lower Roswell Road.
795, I'm out of it. I have no siren.
Trying to ram me off the road. Yeah, this is well, you got cars coming. Alright, y'all keep going. Y'all keep going. He ripped my front bumper off. Alright, 104 is primary. We are coming up to Lower Roswell Road. And I'm out of the half a siren. I don't think we're going to be able to fit that thing. It's probably loaded.
Yeah, so I guess it's just going to be following until he stops.
Well, we'll figure something out with local agencies. Do we have anything on that, Atlanta?
We're all out of Cobb County right now.
And we're approaching Roswell Road. Speed like 70 miles an hour. You're on the wrong side of the road still. Oh, 91050, 91050, 1052, 1018, right here, Princeton Wall, Princeton Wall. 91050, 91050, 1052, 1018, right here, Princeton Wall, Princeton Wall.
Oh, 91050, 1052, 1018, right here, Princeton Walk. See if you can get home. Oh, 91050, 1052, 1018, right here, Princeton Walk. Princeton Walk. He's going head on with a white Jeep. Watch out, 104, watch out. In the woods, in the woods.
Dude, you're about to get shot. You're about to get shot. Get on the ground and I swear to God you're going to die. Fuck. Here. Right here. Look, he can't come out of this way. You're in the woods right here. Don't you fucking move. Where is he? Watch crossfire, watch crossfire. Watch crossfire. No, he's in the woods right here. We got him surrounded. Come out! Or swear to God. You're going to get hit by a dog. He's about to be here. Where are you? Where are you?
On the 795, City Springs is 20 minutes that way.
We need to come on. We got him thrown in the woods. We need to come on now.
Somebody check on that.
That white Jeep.
You see him? Yeah. There's nowhere else to go. You're laying down acting like an idiot. Gotta be.
GSP radio, contact no ready, maybe they got a K9 to it, and we got a request. Alright, so what's going on?
What was that yell? Okay.
On 795, we need 52 as well.
Yes, you need a 1052. They come over there for that.
Can I see that?
Yes, but ambulance now.
Step one.
Okay. Y'all good? I'm going to go check on them. I know we do. I'm just hang on, please. Right now.
What's up? Alright,
What is that right here?
this? Yeah. Alright, so we were
Chasing this U-Haul from Alpharetta. Stolen. He's on the wrong side of Johnson Ferry this entire way. Hits them head on.
Okay, so they weren't involved with the chase at all.
No.
Okay.
Chief is found what is